It's raining already, and maybe we will gonna come back tomorrow.
Oh, sayop.
They are not done TikToking, but me, I'm done. So now we're gonna drink my water because I'm so drunk. Because I'm so watering. May mangka, uy. Joke lang. Laban ng Jud. Arot lang. Unsa naman eh. Gigil niyo si ako. Ikalma lang Jud nato atong kaugalingon. Mao ba? Laban sa introduction, no? So, hey, what's up mga men? So, for today's video guys, today mi sa mag-fitting mi sa mga sulubon na mga flower girl kay kasal din kapag umangko ni tatay Siniboy. Kasal na ang igagawa ni Ma'am Shitin. And ako ang flower girl nga to guys. Apilon ko nila sa flower girl. And so karon mga to may mag-fitting mi sa mga sulubon na. So, naato na mi karon guys. With Ma'am Mercy. Kub! So, be right back guys kung makabot namin nga sa balay nila ang Peter. Later, isabot namin ila ako Peter guys. Tara na ila guys, so magigyan sila sigan. Manabot na ang mga taga-lapu-lapu nga. So, nabot na ang mga taga-lapu-lapu nga masukod na mo guys. Ano sila? Tara ang my cousin guys, at Luhan.
Verdig na tayo. 10.
Artist sabi ako sa CCTV, makita ko sa akong mother network.
So, malamig pasukod guys, mahuli kami 1 week later. So, hey, what's up mga men? Today's video guys, kay mag-English challenge day me. So, mag-photoshoot day me dito guys. And si Ma'am Mercy kay ng laba.
Si Ma'am Mercy kay labandera po.
Well, after sa pictorial sa si Ma'am Mercy guys kay ng laba. And mag-picture-picture kami sa among pagalingon sa phone. So, be right back. So, ato na ako mag-English challenge sa mabini guys. Yan ako mag-English challenge kaya nagkaking tao nga rin. Later.
So guys, Nitch is preparing for
Now
PHOTOSHOOT.
preparing for her photo shoot. We don't have budget for a nice photography. A nice camera. So look at Nitch guys. She is so pretty. Sabgo. Che.
Be,
Wow.
Layo na sa kasmile.
Nitch.
So guys, katong kayo guys, guys, ganda. Lain lagi kay baho.
Ay, simuta, oy!
Dahil nagbaho dyan, oy. Ano ka na? guys, now
Dahil na po sa
we're
nila.
gonna posing like a photo shoot.
Flip naman na. Nasagang ka na buang.
For now, guys, I'm gonna change my clothes. So I don't have. Sorry if I don't know how to English. So we're so sorry, guys, if this photoshoot is
Wow.
just simple because it's simple because
We don't have
any budget. Don't video there because
struggle is real.
so I did not wear na lang because it's too big for me. So guys, so we're gonna go again to our house because it's raining. So we will come back later. It's raining already and maybe we will gonna come back tomorrow.
Oh, sayop.
Ana la.
Wala gid nagkirig si Nitch. Naguna-una nang sagpa-sagpa sa kamot.
Butang sa kamot din anak kulob. Hayang.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
We are done to our photo shooting, and now we're done TikToking again, and now we're gonna go home because it's so late because it's so rain. It's coming to rain. The rain is coming, and the cell phone is low bat. So we need to what the English of that? We need to go home because the cell phone are low bat and the sunset is so nice. And they are not done TikToking, but me, I'm done. So now we're gonna drink my water because I'm so drunk. Because I'm so watering. So now we're here in Mabeni. And now we're gonna go. So bye. I'm gonna write back. So guys, be right back if I'm done in my house, and I will gonna Eniel give me a water because I'm so drunk of a water. Oh my god, no more water guys. I'm so thirsty. No more water jumping. This is the Easter egg guys. I see a Easter egg here. So let's go.